So here's the first pass, about 40 thou deep. Speed is about 500. Feet is about 2. This pass is done. The next pass and subsequent passes are pretty much similar, nothing too special. I'm just using this face mill to save on my regular end mill, since I'm just making things flat, not cutting actually anything, and I'm doing quite a lot of flat cutting. Alright, so here is the last of the 4 sides, the long sides. Perhaps of notice that how am I cutting this to decrease my workload a little bit. The actual face mill, as it's turning, is going to create a bore on this side. So I'm going to cut next on that side. This way I don't have to do a lot of filing with my file. Just a little side note of how this works. I'm taking about 40 thou cut. Voila! Now I just have to cut to size of my part. So I'm cutting now to final size. Have to cut a whopping 220 off. So that's quite a lot, which is going to bring me very close to the actual jaws themselves. So I'm cutting about 1 millimeter off, nothing too special. Alright, here is the final pass for the thickness, just 20 thou cut. Once this is done, then I'm just going to flip it over, and on the burst side cut it to the other side, and we then going to proceed to cut it to little pieces. So I changed the regular end mill because I'm cutting on the thin stuff, and I'm going 2 passes, 40 thou each, with my favorite carbide end mill. more pass. So I have cut the shrimp stock into 4 pieces. One of them is loaded. The way I'm going to proceed, I have 2 pieces with a known end, which is good. And I have 2 pieces, this one and that one, with one end that's bad. So I'm going to square that end and flip it around, square that end, bad end for both of these. So I have 4 pieces with one known good end. And then I'm going to pick one of them and set up a little stop here and start cutting it to size. So anyways, that's the idea. With Weisstal setup, things go rather smoothly to size. And I can load the next one. Right, it looks like it's stacked. Grab some rod and finish welding. Right, so it's welded on one side. I'm thinking about welding it again. I'm thinking that this is not really going to have huge rolls, isn't it? Alright, let's flip it and weld it from the other side. Wrapping it around my arm is more stable.